Hi, this is Dave from UMac Equipment. This is just a short video of an Ecoca CNC teach lathe that I'm doing a quick test on the bed. So anyway, what I've done is set up a dial gauge, and that dial gauge is sitting on this surface here, okay, which is really what the tailstock runs up and down on. So that never ever wears. There's nothing that's moving up and down on it to make it wear, so that can't wear. Okay, and it happens to be machined all at the same time as the V's. Okay, and this back surface. Okay, and that's what the saddle sits on. Okay, so when a machine's heavily used, basically what will happen is the ways, this V, will wear. Okay, and the wear will be within 6 to 8 inches of the chuck, because that's where most of the machining's done. Okay, 90% of jobs are only that length, so that's why it's like that. Okay, so what we do is we set up a dial indicator and we run the saddle back, okay, to as far back as we can basically get it. Okay, so what if there is anywhere, what we'll find is the dial indicator will actually start to rise once it gets past that 8 inches. Okay, if there's nowhere, then the dial won't move. So okay, so I'm going to move the saddle back. Okay, so you can see so far nothing, and hopefully that's what happens all the way. Okay, now I'm going to run into a problem here because of that the live centre that's sitting in there. Okay, but it's probably far enough back to actually prove that, as you can see, that's probably at least 8 inches back. So what I might do is stop the video. Okay, so I haven't changed anything apart from taking out the live centre. So now I'm going to run it back as far as we can. Give me another 6 inches or so, I'd say. Well, it's alright, I'm just not focusing on there. So I'm just about to hit the tailstock now, so I'll stop there. Okay, I'll run it forwards again, all the way up to the chuck. You see the dial's not moving so far. Okay, yep, I've now run out of travel, so that's as far as the saddle will go forwards. Okay, so that's basically, I think, proves that there's very little, if anywhere, in the ways on the Z-axis. That is. Okay, so there we go.